Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to review about beauty cereal oil and the best way you can use it to achieve your perfect glow. Beauty cereal oil is very good for maintenance oil and as well can be used for acne scars and stretch marks as well. Beauty cereal oil, you can add it in your face cream, your body cream, and it will work perfectly all right. Beauty cereal oil is good for acne scars, old mark, stretch mark, so it doesn't contain any hydroquinone or any harsh chemical on it. You can use it as a maintenance oil if you wish not to use any body cream. So that is all I have to say about beauty cereal oil. So thank you. Bye.